Happy Friday from Villa Rica, Georgia. We're at the pilotflyingj.com. Reserve parking. Got some reserve parking going on. That's a hotel that they're rebuilding, remodeling or something. I don't know. Anyway, this Flying J pilot, I don't know what it is, but I parked here yesterday, got in late at night. I mean, it was midnight. I just dropped my load the next day, 5:30, so it's a pilot. Anyway, reserve parking here. And the guys, there was some people over here doing the spray painting the parking lot. No, that was something else. Anyway, they parked 4 across, 5 across, right beside the scale. That's 3, but there's another one on the other side. But I was where that Swift truck is over there. When I came in, I just like, first available, bam! And that was it. I was out for the night. And I don't know, you come through this pilot, make the U-turn, and then you go down and around. And I counted it. I got 55 unpaid spots over there, mostly along that back row where those cars are. In that back row, and then some at the front right over there. So there's 55 total. The rest is all reserved parking. And I figured it out. This reserve parking is going to cost me $1.80 an hour because I'm going to be out of here. I'm going to be out of here at 6 a.m. Starting late actually, but I got to get some rest and have a little bit of the value to my money. Yeah, I had to pay $18 online to get this, and their system was out all day. So anyway, from the Villa Rica, Georgia pilots. Must be a plane airport around here somewhere. There's planes up in the sky. Anyway, Villa Rica, Georgia pilot. It's the old road dog saying, have a happy Friday and be good to somebody tomorrow and the next day. See how that makes you feel. Peace.